Hello everyone, welcome back to another lecture in this course. So in this video we are going to add a text to our window at the center of our window, or we are going to add a text to our window. So to add a text to our window, what we need to do, we need to import from our Qt widget. We are going to put that text as a label. So the label is part of our Qt widget module. So let us call a QLabel here. So we are going to add this label to our main window. So let us go right here below our resize, and what we need to do, let us create a variable for our label, because what a QLabel is used for, a QLabel is used for displaying text or an image. So what we need to do, since it's part of our Qt module, what we are going to do, let us call our keyword self dot, let us give this variable a name called label is equals to QLabel, and we are going to name our label. So the name that we're going to give our label, let us say Wakanda forever. Let us put this exclamation mark. Now, what we need to do now, let us call a central widget. So let us say self dot set central widget, and now let us pass our variable. So self dot label. So we have passed our variable. So as we can see here, this central widget that we have set, what it does, it is just a typical or a standard Qt widget which is used to add text to our layout. So this central widget, it helps us to add this text or this label to our window. If you run our program here, okay, as you can see, if we run our program, we can see our label is now here, is now on our window. So the set central widget command or instruction here, it enables our interpreter to display this text on our window as a layout. So the main objective of our lesson here was for us to display a text on our window. So we use this layout set central widget because it enables us to add content on our window. So this is all for this lesson. See you on the next lecture where we are going to do text formatting for our window. Bye bye.